Yo, welcome back to mojobreak.com, everybody. My name is Jacob. Today we're going to be breaking 2023 Top Series 2. This is going to be a 6-box hobby break, PYT number 28. Everybody, I'll go ahead and start by reading off the full list of teams, and we will get right into it. All right, got Mark with the Braves, Ben with the Orioles, Aram, Red Sox, J Church, Cubs, Sue with the Reds, Ryo with the Guardians, Paul with the Rockies. Good luck, Alex and Paul. Good luck, you guys. Shinobu with the Tigers. Mark with the Royals. Aram again with the Angels, Astros. Alex Dodgers. Paul with the Marlins. BCL with the Brewers. Torville with the Twins. Jawatek Mets, Rangers. BCL A's. Michael with the Phillies, White Sox. Paul again with the Pirates, Giants, Nationals. BCL with the Padres. Gianfranco with the Mariners. Mr. B. Jensen with the Cardinals, Yankees, D-backs. Langford with the Rays, and HE916 with the Blue Jays. All right, everybody. Before we get started, just going to go ahead and post a link for Jumbo. If you guys are interested, I'm only doing 3 breaks today, actually. If you guys are interested, all links are in chat. All links are in chat. Here we go, everybody. Good luck. All right, this is box number 1. The other 2 breaks we have scheduled today, one is a Top Series 2 Jumbo break. Let me take this hobby one off. Okay. Yeah, so I have a Top Series 2 Jumbo break still up. That is for PYT number 20. That link is at the very bottom of the chat if you guys are interested. There's still 20 teams left, everybody. Excuse me, 18 teams left. 18 teams left. That break has been heavily discounted, by the way. If you guys are interested, I would advise you to go check it out. Those teams are filling up fast. Yeah, so we got a Top Series 2 Jumbo break if you guys are interested in that. Hobby is only 1 hit per box. Jumbo is 2 hits per box. Usually 1 auto and 2 relics. Half hit 2 autos before in boxes, though. But yeah, link for that is at the very bottom of the chat. Go check out that link. Also, we are running a Topps Chrome Sonic Lite. It is $19.98 a spot, $20 a spot almost. $19.98 a spot. There's still spots left. That link is pinned to the very top of the chat. If anybody's interested in Topps Chrome, go check that out. Link is pinned to the very top of the chat. Again, only $19.98 a spots. That break is filling up as well. If you guys are interested, I would get into breaks. They definitely are moving. Also, if you guys have not already, go subscribe to Mojo Break Baseball and Mojo Break, the main Mojo Break channel, actually. Also, go subscribe to Mojo Break Media if you guys have not already. Currently trying to build our secondary channel up. Hit 387, I think, earlier today on Mojo Break Baseball, I saw. Thank you guys for all these supports. This is, again, a 6-box break. This is PYT number 28 that we're on. PYT number 28. Opened a ton of Topps Series 2 hobby thus far. Having a very fun time. Let's pull some fire today for you guys. Again, only 3 breaks we are doing. I will be back tomorrow, though, if you guys are interested in any more breaks as well. Schedule should be up. All right, everybody. With that being said, this is box number 1 of 6. Good luck. Good luck. Go check out those other breaks. Links are in chat. Links are in chat near the bottom of the very bottom of the chat for Topps Jumbo. And if you're interested in that Topps Chrome Sonic Lite, that is actually pinned to the top of the chat. All right, everybody. Here we go. Good luck. Here we go. Jared Walsh. Jordan Walker, rookie card base to start us off for the Cardinals. There's a significant stats. Reed Detmers, Ryan Nelson, Brian Reynolds, Kodai Senga, Dylan Carlson. Corbin Carroll, rookie base card for the D-backs. Zach Wheeler. Michael Watch Others, a Shohei All-Star insert. Alexis Diaz. All right, let's get a good mix of autos. Good luck, y'all. Here we go. There's an all aces inserts. Christy Matheson for the Giants. Avisel Garcia, Tommy Henry, Cole Irvin, Matt Olson. Mike Trout, World Baseball Classics insert. Will Smith, Alec Burleson, Tyler Freeman, Josh Hader, Gene Segura, Colin Wong, Josh Jung, Brandon Belt. Out of 2023, there's a gold border. Hae-Sung Kim, World Baseball Classic. There's a Joe Musgrove. Kyle Tucker. Keegan Aiken, Craig Kimbrell, Spencer Watkins, Jurickson Profar. Matt Carpenter, Eric Haas, Logan Webb. Mookie Betts throwback. Jordan Diaz, Jackie Bradley, Jose Buto. There's a Volpe rookie card for the Yankees. Base rookie. Kiki Hernandez named Brad Boxberger. All right, it's closing out that first half. Second half. Good luck, you guys. Here we go. Trey Turner, Connor Joe, Ronald Acuna, Jock Peterson, Dakota Hudson, Kevin Newman. There's a out of 2023 again, another gold border. Ford Proctor for the Giant spot. That's a rookie gold border. Giant spot. Congrats. One of the last team taken, by the way. Evan Longoria. Chris Taylor, Oscar Colas, Jose Abreu. All right, we did get a Major League material. Matthew Liberatore, Cardinals. That is a rookie card. Player worn, by the way. Cardinal spots. Congratulations, Cardinals. By the way, that other break is filling up if you guys are interested again. Right now, there is 17 spots left in Sonic Chrome Lite. That break is filling up if you guys are interested again. That is pinned to the top of the chat. Here we go. Freddie Tarnuk. There's another silver foil for the ace spots. That is a rookie as well, colored rookie. DL Hall, Edwin Diaz, Logan O'Hop, Tejon Walker, Adam Oller, Austin Hedges, Cole Calhoun, Yoshida rookie card for the Red Sox. That's a base. Corey Kluber, there's a favorite sons, Bo Bichette, Matt Wallner. Nolan Arenado, Ken Wallachuk, Josh Harrison, Will Benson, DJ LeMahieu, Randy Arozarena, Bo Naylor, Victor Reyes, Carlos Perez. There's a home run challenge, Jazz Chisholm, Marlins. Anthony Rendon. Got a Legends of the Game coming up after this silver foil. Legends of the Game, Tony Gwynn, Padres. Ranger Suarez, Christian Walker, Chris Bassett, Jake McCarthy, and a Bryce Wilson for the Brew Crew. All right, silver pack coming up. That is box one. Silver pack coming up. All right, did we get a backwards card? There's an Aaron Nola, Cade Cavalli rookie, Corbin Burns, and I'm going to flip it 3-2, David Ortiz. Out of 150, David Ortiz, Red Sox. All right, everybody, here we go. Box number 2 coming up. Go fill up that Sonic Chrome Lite break, everybody. There's still spots left in that break. That is actually scheduled next. If you guys are waiting for Jumbo, Jumbo is not scheduled until noon. Go check that break out. Link is pinned to the top of the chat for Sonic Chrome Lights. Link is pinned to the top of the chat. Go check that break out. All right, here we go. This is box number 2. Box number 2 coming up. Good luck, you guys. Here we go. Okay. I'll actually go with this pile first. Here we go. Relic card. Ernie Banks for the Cubs. 1958 NL League leader in home runs and runs batted in. Commemorative patch for the Cubs spots. Cubbies. Luke Voigt, Nadine, Matt Carpenter. Oscar Colas, James Outman, Jake Berger, Jackie Bradley. Edwin Diaz. Bo Naylor. Ty France, Willie Castro, Jordan Walker, rookie card base for the Cardinals. Favorite sons, Alex Bregman, yeah, right. Anthony Rendon, Ken Waldachuk. Dane Dunning, Framber Valdez, Javier Assad for the Cubs again. Kodai Senga, Kyle Isbell, Jan Gomes, Avisel Garcia. Yuri's Gurriel. Saw him building sandcastles the other day when they were whipping someone. Mitch Keller and a Jonathan Scope for the Tigers. We go last stack of the left side. Keegan Aiken, Lance Lynn. 16 Ks the other day, Lance Lynn. Drew Waters, J.D. Davis. There's a Bo Bichette, Alex Kirilloff. Volpe rookie card for the Yankees, and a Geraldo Geronimo silver foil for the D-backs. Roldis Chapman, the flamethrower, significant stats. Christian Walker, Jose Suarez, Will Benson, Yoshida rookie card for the Red Sox base. Craig Biggio. Here we go. Hit coming up, by the way. Hit coming up. Good luck. Good luck. All right. Out of 299, Jackie Robinson for the Brooklyn Dodgers. Another one of the last teams taken, by the way. Alex, congrats. Getting Jackie out of 299. Garrett Mitchell, Josh Jung, Dakota Hudson, Cole Irvin, Matt Olson, Chris Taylor, Spencer Torkelson, Rodolfo Castro, Brandon Belt. There's an A.J. Pollock for the Mariners. Buster Posey, Corbin Carroll, D-backs, base rookie. Evan Longoria, N.A. Esteury Ruiz. Gold border for the A's. Second or third numbered card for the A's, by the way. I know it's a second rookie numbered. E-Spot's killing it right now. Very good value, too. BCL, congratulations. There's a Austin Riley silver foil. Logan Gilbert, Alek Manoah, Alec Burleson. All right, Felix Bautista silver foil. There's a Logan O'Hoppe throwback rookie. Kyle Schwarber, Drew Smyly. Home run challenge. Chris Bryant for the Rockies, last team mojo. Jared Walsh, Griffin Jacks. Cole Irvin. All aces inserts. Tony Gonsolin for the Dodgers. Brad Boxberger. Nick Allen, Ramon Laureano, Will Brennan, Matt Wallner, Felix Bautista, Zach Wheeler, Nico Horner, Joe Ryan, David Hensley, DJ LeMahieu, Wilmer Flores, Victor Reyes, Colton Wong, Harrison Bader. So that's a black border Harrison Bader. That is out of 72 for the Yankees. Yankee spot. 76. Excuse me, the 72 black border Harrison Bader. All right, and a Francisco Lindor to end it. Silver pack coming up. Silver pack coming up. All right. Got a David Villar rookie for the Giants. Corey Seager for the Rangers. Hank Aaron and a Kirby Puckett. That's closing out that box. All right. That was box number 2, by the way. Box number 2. All right, here we go. This is box 3, everybody. Good luck. Box number 3. John Morant. For anybody just joining us, we have 2 more breaks scheduled right now. 2 more breaks scheduled. There's the schedule up. 16 teams left. Padres just sold in Topps Series 2 Jumbo. 16 teams left in Jumbo. Also, there's 17 spots left in Topps Chrome Lite. 17 spots left in Topps Chrome Lite. If you guys are interested, Topps Chrome Lite is a random team break. 1998 of spots. Looking for Wander Franco rookie cards. Oh, my goodness. Oh, jeez, man, that scared me. Sorry about that, you guys. Back up and running. 1998 a spot, though. 1998 a spot for anybody just joining us. Link is pinned to the very top of the chat. Go check that link out. That'll take you right to our Topps Chrome Sonic Lite. That's actually scheduled next, by the way, for anybody waiting or interested in that break. That is breaking next. If you guys are interested, a link is again pinned to the top of the chat. Link is near the bottom of the break if you guys are interested in that Topps Chrome Series 2 Jumbo break. All links are in chat. All links are in the chats. Good luck. Here we go. Jonathan Scope, Martin Maldonado, Kodai Senga, Paul Goldschmidt, favorite sons, Andrew Vaughn, Zach Gallen, Austin Riley, Freddie Peralta, Drew Waters, rookie for the Royals, J.D. Davis, Bo Bichette, Michael Wacha for the Red Sox. There's a silver foil, non-numbered. Anthony Rizzo, Jose Suarez, Tommy Henry. There is a Nick Madrigal red foil board for the Cubs. That's out of 199 for the Cubs spots. First foil board, I think. Gene Segura, Christian Walker, Alec Burleson, Tyler Freeman, Wilson Contreras. There's a Lee Jung-hoo, World Baseball Classics inserts. Brandon Belt, Josh Hader. Austin Hayes, Luis Ortiz, Nick Madrigal. Willie Castro, Cole Calhoun. David Ortiz, Luke Voits. Nolan Arenado, Ken Waldichuk. Andrew McCutchen for the Pirates. There's a gold border out of 2023. Mackenzie Gore for the, national spot. Craig Kimbrell. There's a Charlie Morton for the Braves. Another silver foil. James Outman, Jake Berger. Logan Webb. There's a Bonella rookie. Francisco Alvarez. Kevin Newman. Michael Conforto. There's a Volpe rookie card for the Yankees. There's a Adley Rutschman base rookie for the Orioles. That's not a base rookie, excuse me. That is a throwback rookie for the Orioles. That's closing out that first half, by the way. Jose Abreu, Jeremy Pena. There's a Lance Lynn gold border out of 2023. Miles Straw, Taylor Hearn. DJ LeMahieu. Relic out of 199, Mike Piazza for the Mets. Black out of 199 for the Mets spot. That is game used as well. Congrats to the Mets. Jawa Tech, congratulations. All right, we are due for an auto. Let's get an auto next box or in that bonus pack. Good luck, you guys, rest of the way. Here we go. Derek Jeter, James Outman, Yudis Gurriel for the D-backs. Lars Newbar, Will Smith, Dane Dunnings. There's a Jordan Walker base card for the Cardinals. Rookie. Spencer Strider, Mark Vientos. Chipper Jones and a Hunter Dozier. Spencer Torkelson. Yoshida rookie card for the Red Sox. Sturi Ruiz. Bryce Wilson. Bobby Dalbec. Alec Manoah. Will Benson. Significant stats. Corbin Carroll rookie card. Jake McCarthy. Stone Garrett. Trey Turner. Connor Joe. G1 Bay. There's a Kyle Tucker. Oakland A's team card. There's a home run challenge. Kyle Schwarber for the Philly spot. Looks like we have a home field advantage insert coming up, by the way. Those are SP. Good luck. There's a Carlos Santana. All aces insert. Justin Verlander for the Mets. Corbin Carroll base rookie for the D-backs. Home field advantage. Tristan Casas. Red Sox. Rookie card base also. That's not a base. Excuse me. Home field advantage, Boston Red Sox, though. Tristan Casas. Alex, congratulations. These are, again, SP or SSP. I think this is the first time I'm getting Tristan Casas, though. Red Sox. Sort of like a downtown from Panini. You guys are familiar with that. All right, here we go. Silver pack. There's a Mark Vientos rookie for the Mets. Carlos Rodon. Kodai Senga for the Mets. And a Kyle Tucker. Right, that's closing out box 3. That was actually the first half of the break, by the way. Good luck, you guys. Good luck. Second half of the break. Here we go. Box 3 coming up. For anybody just joining us, again, 2 more breaks scheduled. Topps Chrome Sonic Lite and Topps Series 2 Jumbo. All links are in chat, by the way. If you guys are interested in that Topps Chrome Sonic Lite, that break is filling up. That is at 17 spots. Go check that out. Link is pinned to the top of the chat. Link is pinned. $19.98 a spot. Random team break. It is an 8-box break. Topps Chrome Sonic Lite. If you guys are interested in Topps Chrome, looking for Wander Franco rookies primarily. It is a random team break. $19.98 a spot. Super good price, you guys. Go check that out. Link is pinned. All right, by the way, if anybody's interested, just discounted the last remaining teams on Topps Series 2 Jumbo. If anybody's interested in Topps Series 2 Jumbo, just discounted those last remaining teams. I'll go ahead and post a link in the chat if you guys are interested. That break has also been heavily discounted. If you guys are interested, again, I'll go ahead and post a new link for you guys. Just discounted those last remaining teams. Alright, there's a link in the chat again. Just discounted those last remaining teams if you guys are interested. That is Topps Series 2 Jumbo. Topps Series 2 Jumbo. Just discounted the last remaining teams. Again, that break has been heavily discounted. All links are in chats. There you go. Good luck. This is box number 4. Good luck. Second half of the break. Alright. Casey Mize. DL, there's a Yoan Moncada silver foil for the White Sox. Austin Nola, Griffin Jacks. Stone Garrett, Dane Dunning, Framber Valdez. There's a Jordan Walker rookie card base for the Cardinals. J.D. Davis, Lance Lynn. Ramon Laureano, Jared Walsh. Kodai Senga. Drew Waters. Will Myers. Zach Wheeler. Michael Wacha. All right, we did get a Topps Now coupon card, actually. This will be randomized between all 30 MLB teams. I'll go ahead and finish this box, and then I'll go ahead and randomize this. This is for a free Topps Now card. I'll go ahead and randomize that after this box. Good luck, everybody, in that. Yoan Moncada, Matt Olson, Zach Gallen. There's a Mets. Rafael Ortega, Logan O'Hop. Bubba Thompson, Dansby Swanson, Daniel Lynch, Will Smith, Tyler Freeman. There's a Gunnar Henderson throwback rookie for the Orioles. G1 Bay, Adam Mahler, Jonathan Scope, Andrew Heaney. All right, there's a home run challenge. Riley Green for the Tigers. What up? Not yet, nah. Nothing super crazy. All right, I got you, man. I got you, Gary. All aces. Nestor Cortez, Walker Buehler. There's a Corbin Carroll D-backs base rookie. Chris Bassett. Bo Bichette's. Oakland A's. Team card. There's a Victor Robles. A.J. Pollock. Josh Hader. Carlos Santana. There's a Manny Machado silver foil. Ted Williams All-Stars insert. George Springer, green foil board. That's out of $4.99 for the Toronto Blue Jays. Out of $4.99, green foil board. Luke Voigt to end it. Let's close out that stack. All right. Tommy Henry, Cole Irvin, Luis Ortiz, Josh Bell, Bryce Johnson. Max Muncy, Will Benson, Manny Machado, Geraldo Peronimo, Ken Waldichuk, Austin Hedges, Trey Turner, Connor Joe, Yurdes Gurriel for the D-backs gold border out of 2023, David Bednar, Ronnie Henriquez. All right, hit coming up, hit coming up. Good luck, good luck. Carson Kelly, DJ LeMahieu, Jose Abreu. Wade Boggs, another Hall of Famer. We are getting a Wade Boggs game-used bat relic. Going to the Boston Red Sox spot. Congratulations, Red Sox. Alex in the chat getting a game-used Wade Boggs. One of the game's best third basemen. Miles Straw. Best third baseman ever, I should say. He's not playing anymore, obviously. Wade Boggs. One of the best legends, though. Julio Urias, Jake Berger, Eric Haas. Whit Merrifield. Bo Naylor. Erickson Profar, Hunter Strickland, Matt Carpenter, Keegan Aiken, Craig Kimbrell, Eloy Jimenez, Austin Voth, Jose Buto, Logan Webb, Javier Assad, Austin Hedges, Ty France, Corey Kluber, Volpe rookie card for the Yankees, Young Gomes, Jeff McNeil, Jace Peterson, Yoshida rookie card for the Red Sox, and a Josh Jung rookie card for the Tigers. All right, here we go. Rangers, I should say Josh Jung. Jace Jung is on the Tigers. All right, here we go. Good luck, you guys. International Trading Day. There's a Max Muncy, Trey Turner, Albert Pujols, and an Ezekiel Tovar for the Rockies. All right, that was closing up that box. Just give me a second to get the random team set up. All right, this is a PYT. This is going to be for this Topps Now card. It's a PYT. We're only going to randomize 3 times. Top team after 3 is getting the Topps Now card. Here we go. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. All right, Tigers. That was 3 times in the random. Tigers getting the Topps Now card. Detroit. All right, everybody. Good luck rest of the way. By the way, Mets gone and Blue Jays gone from Jumbo. That is down to 14 teams left in Series 2 Jumbo if you guys are interested. Again, just discounted those last remaining teams. All right, there's also only 15 spots left in Topps Chrome Sonic Lite. If you guys are interested in that break, Topps Chrome Sonic Lite 8-box break. Link is pinned to the very top of the chat. That break is actually scheduled next, so if anybody's waiting for that, go check it out. Still spots left. That break is moving. 15 spots left. Again, link is pinned to the very top of the chat. There is only 15 spots left. Only $19.98 a spot, everybody. Less than 20 a spot. Go check it out. Link is pinned. Also, if anybody is just joining us for Topps Series 2 Jumbo. Jumbo is near the bottom of the chat if you guys are interested. That is the Topps Series 2 Jumbo break we have scheduled, number 20. That link is at the very bottom of the chat. Breaks are filling up. If you guys are interested, I would get in before the Jumbo sells out, and that Topps Chrome Sonic Light is moving as well. Go. All right, let's get an auto, please. We got to get at least one auto. Let's get one auto at least. Come on, baby. we go. Good luck. This is box 5 of 6, PYT number 28. Good luck. There's a all aces insert. Here we go. Satchel Paige for the St. Louis Browns. Ramon Laureano, Jared Walsh, Dane Dunning, Framber Valdez. There's a Jordan Walker base rookie for the Cardinals. Josh Bell. Spencer Strider, Kodai Senga, Dylan Carlson, Bryce Harper, Luis Ortiz, Zach Wheeler. Out of 2023 gold border for the Cubs. Ji-Hwan Bae. Hey, Bae, Bae, Bae. Hey, Bae, Bae, Bae. Yohan Moncada, Drew Jameson, Zach Gallen. Brad Boxberger, another one for the Cubs. This is a silver border. Silver foil, I should say. Martin Maldonado, Daniel Lynch, Tyler Freeman, Ahmed Rosario, Logan Gilbert, Nick Lodolo, Andrew Heaney. Out of 299, Charlie Blackmon. That's an orange foil board for the Rockies. Last team mojo. There's an Adley Rutschman pick your shot home run challenge. Significant stats, Ronald Acuna Jr. for the Braves. Kenzie Gore, Bo Bichettes. Alex Bregman, Walker Buehler, Jake Berger. There's a Christian Walker. Chris Bassett, Carlos Santana, Nolan Hernano. Bailey Falter, rookie. Victor Reyes, Colton Wong. Out of 50, Xander Bogaerts. That is a Mother's Day hot pink edition. Xander Bogaerts out of 50. Congratulations, Padres. By the way, happy belated Father's Day to everybody out there. Hope you guys had a good day. I went out to breakfast with my dad. Had a wonderful Father's Day. And then I was breaking. Had a ton of fun yesterday. On Sunday. PJ Higgins, Cole Irvin, Matt Olson, Victor Robles, Corbin Carroll, D-backs base rookie. All right, let's get an auto. Come on, you guys. Good luck. There's a Will Myers silver foil for the Reds. Favorite Sons, Aaron Judge. This should be numbered or blue. There we go, Yankees. Aaron Judge, favorite Sons from Cali. Man, that's a good one, Tops. They got me with that one. Remember when they said Aaron Judge, Arson Judge is coming to the Giants? Then they pulled the rug out from under us. Man, that one hurt. They got me good. They got me good. Really thought Aaron Judge was coming to the Giants for a second. I thought. All right, looks like we do have an auto. I'm going to slow roll it. Good luck, you guys. Here we go. 1988 Topps Baseball autograph card. 3-2-1 Max Castillo. Royals. KC Royals getting a Max Castillo on-card rookie auto. Congrats to the Royal spots. First auto of the break. Mark. Max Castillo, base, rookie, auto. Jock Peterson, Andrew Vaughn, Jonathan India. David Fletcher, Taylor Hearn, Drew Waters, J.D. Davis, A.J. Pollock. Harry Ford, Bobby Dalbec. Josh Jung, Jake McCarthy. Vidal Brujan, Whit Merrifield. Keegan Aiken, Craig Kimbrell. There's a Zach Gallen silver foil for the D-backs, the ace of the D-backs. Logan Webb, Joey Bart. There's an Akil Baddoo, Kyle Tucker, Jose Butto, Brendan Donovan. Volpe rookie card. This is a Legends of the Game, Roberto Clemente, Pirates. Nate Eden, Matt Carpenter, Michael Lorenzen, Yoshida rookie card for the Red Sox. And a Kyle Schwarber. All right, here we go. Silver pack coming up. Good luck, you guys. All right, got a Jordan Diaz for the A's, Will Brennan, Alek Manoah, and an Ozzie Albies. All right, that's closing it out. That is box number 5, everybody. Last box of the break coming up. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Can we end it with a banger? We got one auto so far. Can we end it with another auto? One of one, maybe even. Let's get an auto, one of the top rookies, maybe even. Good luck, you guys. This is the last box of the break. If you guys are interested in what's next, again, that Topps Chrome Sonic Lite break is scheduled next. That break is moving. There's still 15 spots left in it, though. If you guys are interested, break is right here. 8 boxes total. Topps Chrome Sonic Lights. If you guys are interested in that break, link is pinned to the very top of the chat. Go check it out. There is the schedule for myself. Go check it out, you guys. Links are in chat. Top Series 2 Jumbo is at the very bottom of the chat. And if you guys are interested in that Sonic Chrome Light, again, a link is pinned. This is the last box of the break. This is, again, PYT number 28. PYT number 28, 6-box hobby break. Good luck, everybody. All right, this is the last box of the break. Again, everybody, good luck. Last box, Mojo. Here we go. Let's end it with a banger. Let's get a numbered auto. Let's get another one of one. Come on, baby. Good luck. Good luck. There's a David Ortiz, Legends of the Game. Poured a David Ortiz patch auto, game worn yesterday. Out of 3 and 2. 3 and 2 baseball is super fun to open, by the way, if you guys have not opened any 3 and 2. Got a game worn Yogi Berra patch, game worn Ted Williams patch yesterday. Got that David Ortiz patch auto. Got a couple one of ones also. There's a silver foil for the Twins. Kerry Carpenter rookie. 1 of 1 Masataka Yoshida, by the way, for the Red Sox. Out of 3 and 2. 1 of 1 of one of the top rookies also. There's an Anthony Volpe. Congrats to the Yankees out of 2023. Bo Naylor. Cutter Crawford, Alek Manoah. Drew Jameson, Sandy Alcantara, Cy Young. Jose Buto, Nate Eaton. Edwin Diaz. Logan Gilberts. Ronnie Henriquez. Nolan Arenado. Connor Capel. Shohei, Andrew Heaney, Alec Burleson, Josh Jung, Jake McCarthy. There's a Wilmer Flores, Yohan Moncada. Home Run Challenge, J-Ram for the Guardians. Rowdy Tellez, Alexis Diaz. Favorite Sons, Andrew McCutchen. Jordan Roshan's Marlins. Carlos Perez. Drew Smiley. Chris Bassett. Colton Wong. Ryan Sandberg. Kyle Schwarber. Closing out that half. All right. Last stack. Here we go, everybody. Good luck. Good luck. Eugenio Suarez, Tyler Freeman, Rodolfo Castro. Yusniel Diaz. There's a Josh Hader. Gene Segura. Nelson Cruz. Manny Machado. Josh Bell. Trey Turner. Connor Joe. White Sox out of 76. Independence Day for the White Sox. American League. Independence Day parallel. Michael. Congratulations. Evan Longoria. Lars Nootbaar. Reed Detmers. G1 Bay. Alejandro Kirk. All right, we also did get a relic. Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. Alex Ramirez, congrats again in the chat. Saw you earlier. Congratulations, Rafael Devers. Game worn patch. Game worn. Gotta love game worn. All right, here we go. Kyle Tucker with Merrifield. Miles Straw, David Fletcher, Garrett Mitchell, throwback rookie, Walker Buehler. There's a Corbin Carroll rookie for the D-backs. Gene Segura. Silver foil for the Orioles. Matt Wallner. Brandon Belts, AJ Pollock, Craig Kimbrell, DJ LeMahieu, and Manuel Rivera. Jose Miranda, Royce Lewis, Logan Webb, David Ortiz, David Hensley, Willie Castro. There's a Cole Calhoun, Max Muncy. Volpe rookie card for the Yankees. Hopefully that silver pack has something good in it. Good luck, you guys. There's a Yoshida rookie card for the Red Sox. Brandon Donovan. All aces inserts. Zach Wheeler. Mitch Keller. Out of 300, Elias Diaz for the Rockies. Last team mojo. N.A. Geraldo Paradimo. All right, here we go. Silver pack. Let's end it with the banger. Come on, baby. Good luck. Good luck. All right. Let's get some good rookies if we don't get an auto. Here we go. Mark Vientos for the Mets. Carlos Rodon. Kodai Senga. There's a good one. And a Kyle Tucker. All right, everybody. That was the break. All right, everybody. Thank you guys all for tuning in. That was 2023 Top Series 2 Hobby 6-box break.